Hi, I'm Fern and I'm a coordinator in the recruitment team. I'm with Mike here today to ask some questions that our candidates put to us before they come for their driving assessment.
Hello, I'm Mike. I'm Head of Education for Compliance, Driving and Specialist Education, and I lead the team of the assessors who will be taking you out on the day.
So, first question, Mike. What does the driving assessment cover?
Okay, there's a short highway code test paper and then there's a practical drive of around 25 to 40 minutes.
And what can I do to prepare for this highway code test?
Buy yourself an up-to-date highway code, which is quite important, but also if you go online on the highway code website, there's some quizzes on there which will help you to prepare.
How difficult is the highway code test?
It's not particularly difficult. There's only 10 questions, 5 are multi-choice and 5 are road signs recognition.
What sort of vehicle do you use, and is it different if I just have a provisional C1 on my licence?
Okay, we use Mercedes Sprinters, long wheel-based vehicles, so a little bit larger than what you may be expecting. If you haven't got C1, we have a category B vehicle, but it's the same dimensions.
If I've already got a C1 on my licence, do I need to sit the test?
Yes, you do, because we're looking at your driving ability rather than looking at your preparation for taking that particular test.
And if I already work for the NHS and have had emergency or non-emergency driver training, do I need to sit the assessment?
Yes, you do, because that way we can identify any areas that might need refreshing.
What preparation can I do for this driving assessment?
Okay, if you're not used to a vehicle of those dimensions, it might be an idea if you know somebody's got one to let you drive one or hire one, just so you get the feel of the different width and length of the vehicle.
Will it be like taking my driving test, and will I have to do an emergency stop?
It's very similar because we're looking at the skills that you needed to demonstrate to pass your test. There is no emergency stop, but there is a reversing exercise.
And what is a C1 category, and how can I get it put on my licence?
Okay, so category on the licence allows you to drive vehicles of between 3.5 and 7.5 tonnes. If you've not already got one, you have to get that by licence acquisition. Apply online for your provisional, and then you have to take a theory test and hazard perception test, and then the practical test.
And what should I wear for my driving assessment?
Obviously, comfortable clothes, appropriate shoes, but bear in mind you will be sitting in an interview as well.
My driving licence is with the DVLA. Can I still come for the assessment?
Yeah, you can. That's not a problem, but you must bring us a licence check code, which you'll get offline, plus the last 8 digits of your driving licence and some sort of photographic evidence.
I've got 4 points on my licence. Can I still apply?
Unfortunately not. The trust policies we only accept maximum 3.
And what happens if I fail my driving assessment?
Depending on the reasons you failed, you may be invited back within 3 months further down the line. That gives you a chance to maybe correct those places or those little elements that you got wrong.
Okay, thank you, Mike, for answering those questions.
You're welcome.
If you have any other questions for us, you can always contact us at recruitment@scas.nhs.uk, and we look forward to meeting you at the assessment day. Thank you.